Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef, and I'm Rick, and on this channel I will show you how to make easy delicious recipes and also take you out in my backyard. And today we're going to nip out to a little place a little bit out of Chiang Mai, a place called Mae On, and we'll put all our eggs in one basket. Now if this is something you would like to see, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's have a drive up there. Right, so we're in the village of Mae On, and there's all the baskets that you put your eggs in, and then you take it down to the hot springs and you put the eggs in and cook them. So let's have a look round and then we'll go down to the hot springs. We're going to get one of these then for Hasip Bat. Okay, is that Maggi sauce?
Yes.
Ah, okay. So we're going to get one of these and one of these. What's that then?
100 baht. Okay, ขอบคุณค่ะ.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Are we free? Cap, is it free now? Oh, shit. Come on, Cap, thank you. Thank you. Need Mum as well. Oh, my Cap, thank you. That's it, we're on the way in with our eggs to cook. Come on. No battery. Oh, what is that? Hang on. Hang on, hang on. Come on. And what we've got going on here, guys, is we've got this absolutely beautiful garden. But as you can see, because we're in the middle of COVID, there is absolutely no one here, or very few people. It's absolutely fantastic. So what we'll do, we'll have a take you around the garden and we'll walk down this path which actually leads to like the spring baths and a little swimming pool that you can go in before we have a walk to the geyser. So let's show you down here first, have a walk round and have a walk up there and get our shoes and socks off. Come on. Right guys, look here what we've got. We've got the mineral bath. So the mineral water from the geyser comes all the way down the channel into the mineral bath where you can actually go swimming and just chill out. Unfortunately, all the shops appear to be closed. There's hardly anyone here at all. Here you go guys, 40 to 45 degrees C, it's 39 degrees heat, so that water is very, very warm. The chef's guide. 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, like a rock. So you've got soft boil at 3 minutes, 5 minutes is still quite soft, 8 minutes is fully edible. Nice, soft, with a firmish yolk. There we go guys, the chef's guide to cooking on a geyser. And the geyser, its temperature is 105 degrees Celsius. Let's go boil some eggs. We can actually start to smell the sulfur now from the geysers. And we've got our eggs to boil. Our chicken egg. Ooh, hot, hot. Right guys, what we've got here, we've got the geysers coming up, 105 degrees, and this has been boiling and bubbling up for hundreds of years. But they've made this into a tourist attraction. Okay, there's not very many tourists here now, but you can come, relax, boil your egg, sit down and put your feet in hot water. An absolutely amazing natural place just outside Chiang Mai. Just look at these geysers. Right guys, looks like we got a hook to get our eggs out. Come on. That's the bird eggs. And that is the chicken eggs. And an explosion. There we are guys, that's our eggs cooked. So let's go try and see if they're soft boiled or hard boiled. It's already exploded, so it should be okay. Come on, let's go see. Right, we boiled our eggs guys, but we boiled for 6 minutes. So let's just see if it is a 6-minute cook as per the chef's sign on the tree. So let's go try one of our boiled eggs and see if it's cooked. Now the good thing is, if it's not cooked, we can actually go back and put it back in again. So at 105 degrees, 6 minutes, these eggs should be perfectly cooked. Let's go try one. Right guys, we got a hand washing and an egg washing. So we're just going to wash it under this tap. Obviously to take off the sulfur and everything from the geyser. Okay. So this is about 6 minutes guys. It's soft, it's got quite a firm yolk, but what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to go put the eggs back in for another 2 minutes, because obviously the temperature might be hotter at the bottom than it is at the top, and the eggs are actually at the top of the water. So we'll go put these back in. Right guys, what we'll do is we'll try one of these quail eggs. Well, the quail egg is actually perfectly cooked because it's a small egg. So that quail egg is perfect. And if you look at the yolk is perfectly cooked too. That is a really nice quail egg. That is absolutely delicious. So what we'll do is I'll just go put these eggs back in for 2 minutes and cook these a little bit longer. Oh, let's take the plunge. Oh, it's okay. Oh, oh, let's give it an egg a try now. We've been cooking them a couple of minutes extra, they should be okay. So we'll get in here, get an egg out of the basket. Get that, perfectly cooked, nice soft boiled egg. So what we're going to do is we'll put a little bit of this Maggi sauce on there. Oh, and let's give it a go. Fantastic. Well worth the wait of 7.5 minutes for a cooked boiled egg in nature. This egg is actually cooked onsen, a bit like how they cook in Japan. Oh, your red hot hard yolk. Let's see if we can get the yolk out of there. Oh, that's a hard yolk. Absolutely delicious. That is really nice. So this is an actual way of cooking like the Japanese onsen, and this is actually soft. Even after 7 minutes, it's still soft. What an end to the day. Absolutely fabulous. Feet will be nice and soft. They feel like they're tenderizing. They're slowly cooking, I think, in 50-degree water. So there we are guys, the sun's going down behind me, there's no one here, it's 39 degrees, the water is 45 degrees, and I've had my dinner. I've had boiled eggs and Maggi sauce. Now if this is something that you would like to see, don't forget, hit the like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Well, that's it. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. fantastic place. Sankampaeng Hot Springs, just outside Chiang Mai.